Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox to show up on Discord. First, open your Discord application and navigate to the user settings, which you can find by clicking the gear icon near your username. Once there, select the Connections tab from the left-hand menu. This is where you'll link your various accounts. Find the Roblox icon and click it to begin the connection process, authorizing Discord to access your Roblox profile information. Next, to ensure your game activity is visible, return to your user settings. Under the Activity Settings section, click on Activity Privacy. Here, you'll see an option labeled Display Current Activity as a status message. Make sure this toggle is enabled. This setting is crucial as it allows Discord to detect and broadcast what game you are currently playing, including Roblox, to your friends. Sometimes, Discord might not automatically detect Roblox. If this happens, head back to your user settings and find the Registered Games tab. Look for Roblox in the list of detected games. If it's not there, click the Add a Game button. You can then select Roblox from the drop-down menu. If it's still missing, you might need to manually browse for the Roblox executable file on your computer. If you're still facing issues, a few troubleshooting steps can help. First, try completely restarting both your Discord and Roblox applications. Also, ensure both programs are updated to their latest versions. Double-check your Discord privacy settings to confirm activity display is permitted. If all else fails, try disconnecting and then reconnecting your Roblox account within Discord's Connections settings to refresh the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.